when they did what they did, I was like, when they then called in votes, I don't know who gave them the idea, but someone probably did that. I was like, boys, that was the boys around. I know we have to celebrate even for him. I could have been speaking about it earlier, but and that's why we don't know what Jenem Komana, but they too far out of votes. I don't want no feature international artists, but they did that just so that they can spite me. They did that so that they can spite me. Yes. I'm not on that album. They used me. So in the other out on what you want, I don't go celebrating it. Yeah, I hope it did well. At the end of the day, it's a win for all of us. Because perhaps Zimbabwean music industry, apparently was telling one. So votes are to know represent a flag. And I got to go near that test. So those are going to miss and I got okay, okay, okay. But those are those are it.